Now, moving on, Prime Minister Mustafa Madbouli held talks with the Rosatom Alexei, the CEO of Russia's Rosatom, where he emphasized the strategic importance of the Dabaa Nuclear Power Plant. The project, involving numerous Egyptian companies and thousands of local workers, aligns with Egypt's goal to increase clean energy production to 42% by 2030. President Abdel Fattah al-Sisi has directed the government to ensure timely completion of the plant's first phase, marking a pivotal milestone in Egypt's energy strategy. The director of the Grand Egyptian Museum, Dr. Ali Abdel Halim, has announced the use of advanced augmented reality technology via Instagram to reconstruct incomplete artifacts as part of the museum's 122nd anniversary celebrations. Developed in collaboration with Meta and the Ministry of Tourism and Antiquities, the project features 5 models from the Egyptian Museum in Tahrir and 8 from the National Museum of Civilization. This innovation breathes life into incomplete artifacts, allowing users to view fully restored pieces through their mobile phones. The Cabinet's Information and Decision Support Center is integrating artificial intelligence and big data analytics to enhance forecasting and policymaking. The initiative aligns with Egypt's strategy to harness cutting-edge technology to deliver high-quality, data-driven insights for decision-makers, advancing the nation's developmental goals. The Central Agency for Public Mobilization and Statistics has reported a 5.7% rise in trade volume between Egypt and African Union nations, reaching $9.2 billion in 2023. Egyptian exports increased by 15.6% to $7.4 billion, with 5 African nations accounting for 65.5% of these exports.